We're diving into a full review of the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G, Samsung's mid-range smartphone that promises premium features without the premium price tag. Design and build. The Galaxy A34 5G has a clean and modern look, with a flat back and slightly curved edges. It features a plastic back and frame, but the matte finish gives it a more refined feel. It's available in several colors like Awesome Lime, Awesome Graphite, Awesome Violet, and Silver. Display. One of the standout features of the A34 5G is the display. It sports a large 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This makes scrolling and animations look buttery smooth. Performance. The A34 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset. It's paired with either 6 or 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, which is expandable via microSD. Day-to-day performance is smooth. Camera system. You get a triple camera setup, a 48MP main sensor with WAH, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP macro camera. The main camera takes solid photos in good lighting, colors are accurate, and dynamic range is decent. Low light performance is acceptable thanks to the optical image stabilization, but it's not flagship level. Battery and charging. Battery life is a strong point. The A34 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day and sometimes more with moderate use. Overall, the Galaxy A34 5G strikes a great balance between performance, design, and features. Thank you so much.